Small businesses can use an online store as another way to market their products. While brick-and-mortar stores are still a popular way to conduct business, an online storefront can be the more efficient way. Opening an online store offers several advantages that brick-and-mortar stores can't or won't provide. It's a great opportunity, especially in today's environment. Online shopping offers customers a way to avoid traffic, crowds, lines, and health concerns. It's just plain convenient. Here's a quick rundown of the process of opening an online store for your small business. Developing your product is the most important part of opening an online store and starting your small business. One of the most important ways to develop your product is to build your niche. This will give you an edge not only in the beginning stages of business development, but as your small business grows. To give your online business an advantage, consider profitable niches to expand or open your small business online. Beauty treatments, dating and relationships, fitness and weight loss, gadgets and technology, health, online content such as coaching, courses, podcasts, etc., personal finance, self-improvement, or wealth building through investing. You should also search for businesses to model yours after. You'll want to replicate what they're doing in their marketing, social media postings, and work with other industry professionals. As you develop your small business, you'll need a business name. No matter what your business entity is, a business name will provide a brand and an identity. When choosing your online store's name, you'll want to keep a few things in mind, such as the business names of your direct competitors, how your company differs from those competitors, how your company will solve problems, and the target audience for your online store and small business. To make sure your business name is the right name, you'll want to come up with a name that addresses these issues. Then you'll test your company name by using 5 to 7 potential names. It should be easy to pronounce, should be able to be read clearly and quickly. It should express or imply a desirable message. It shouldn't contain negative words. It should represent who you are and should be authentic to your brand and spark interest in employees and potential customers. If you're unsure whether your business name is available, you can also use a business name generator. These can be a great option because it combines keywords with other words to create a business name. If you don't already have a website, you need to pick a domain name. Similar to your small business name, it's also vital to choose a domain name that resembles your small business brand and mission. After choosing a domain name, you'll want to register it. That way, only you can use it for as long as you own it. It's also a great way to protect your brand and identity too. In fact, you may want to lock down your company's domain name whether you plan on building a website or not. If you can't register your domain because someone else has already locked in your domain name, there are still options available. Your domain name doesn't need to be the same as your DBA, legal business name, or trademark name. To register your domain name, you'll work with a registrar service. Make sure you choose one that offers you the customer service and price point that you want. And don't forget, you'll need to renew your domain registration regularly. Some business name generators can also check to see if a web domain is available for that name, making it even more convenient if you want both a business name and domain name. E-commerce solutions allow small business owners a chance to advertise, market, and sell products to current and prospective customers. Depending on your small business needs, you can choose from many e-commerce solutions. However, if you're unsure of which e-commerce solution works best for you, there are a few things to consider. Ease of creating and uploading content, ease of use as a business owner and as a customer, fees, and point of sale systems. Fees may seem to be the most critical factor in determining the e-commerce solution you'll use. Some fees are for listing fees, transaction charges, and transaction rates. There are additional fees for monthly charges to use an e-commerce solution as well. You don't want to be bogged down with fees, but you also want to make sure to balance it against convenience. Convenience for both you and your customer. Ease of use has a value, so don't ignore it. It could very well be worth the higher price tag. After choosing your e-commerce solution, now it's time to build your store. The exact store you'll create will vary because of the e-commerce solution selected. Some solutions specialize in different industries such as food services, grocery stores, and retail. The e-commerce solution you choose may also play a role in a few elements of your online store, such as how the store integrates with other websites, the design of your online store, and the ease of searching through your store for products. Finally, as you develop your products, you'll also want to develop marketing strategies for your small business. There are several ways you can do this online: contributing to industry-specific forums, creating video content through YouTube, offering free products or free services to your customers, using press releases to provide essential company events or news, using social media to upload photos and videos, and utilizing email marketing to engage and grow your customer base. Creating an online store can be an excellent option for growing your small business. It's easy, effective, and efficient to open an online store for your small business, and there are several benefits. When it's time to grow and market your small business, you'll want to work with professionals to avoid any stress. So work with the experienced professionals at 1-800-ACCOUNTANT to grow and market your business. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this to be educational or informative, helpful, or entertaining, please like and subscribe, and look for 1-800-ACCOUNTANT on your social media channels of choice.